Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Botanical Expressions. It's a very versatile stamp set with just sentiments that you're going to need. And I'm also going to feature the Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper. So I have the measurements here of the pieces that I'm pulling out. And you can use any pattern paper for this. I just happen to enjoy some of the, I don't want to become a paper hoarder, you guys. So I'm trying to use up some of my other stuff before the Christmas stuff comes in. Let me tell you, I already can order Christmas stuff, but yeah, I'm not feeling it just yet. So I will save that for maybe August. Isn't it funny? Okay, so anyway, here's a little strip of the same pattern paper. It's got the same colorway in it, but it is a little different. This is about 1/2 inch that I am putting on that piece. So as you can see, there's like a little stripey bit and then a floral bit. I put dimensionals on the back. We are using a basic thick white card base, normal size, half the sheet, and folded in half. So I struggled with this because I'm an idiot and I took off the release paper from the dimensionals already. So I tied my linen thread loosely around the little very vanilla square there. And I'm going to pop this on my card, making sure that the 3 sides are straight. And then what I did was I tied my bow, and it took a long time. And I cut it out of the video so that you don't have to see me struggle with the bow. I don't know what it is when I'm on camera. I seriously cannot get it together. But when I'm crafting just by myself, the bows go perfectly. So explain that to me, Sigmund Freud. Okay, so this is Early Espresso ink. And this sentiment says, "You brighten my day." So I'm kind of putting it in the center of the open space there. Enough room for the bow to dangle and for me to put some embellishments on. I am using the faux bronze pentagons. I have so many embellishments that I don't use, and today I'm using up some. I'm using up some. So that is the front of the card. We're going to move on into the inside of the card. So I have another little strip there. I end up cutting off a little bit because that measurement was wrong, but it doesn't matter. I put it on the basic white piece, and the reason why is because I wanted to use this. I wanted to use a little strip of paper on the inside of the card, and then I was going to use the crumb cake cardstock, but then I don't know. When you design stuff, things go awry. Anyway, so I'm using both of these layers on the inside of the card. That's very different from me. So measurements are there, and I put this all on the inside of the page. I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And you guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, apparently there's like 50% of you that just wander by my channel every time I upload and don't subscribe. So please consider it. It helps me and my small channel grow. So I appreciate that so much. So this is my card, and thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I'll be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.